is. Okay, so when you use your image planes, find out which is your front and your side and your top. So that would be your numpad. Okay, so your numpad 1, then numpad 3. So 1, 3, 7 on your numpad will tell you your view. So 1 is front, 3 is side, 7 is top. Okay, now in order for us to add the image planes, press 1 on your numpad, then get your image. The image is mas okay if naka-label ng tama yung mga images. Sorry, hindi ko kasi nakita. Okay, so this would be the side. This one, alright, so this one is the top. Okay. And this will be the front. Okay. So I'm going to click and drag. Alright, on my view. Then I'm going to grab it, G. Okay. Grab and put it on top. Okay. I'm going to move the cube. Let me just set my preferences. Input, key map, tools. Okay. Save. Right. So transform. I'm going to put this down. I'm going to put it around here. Okay. So do not scale or do anything with this because naka-fix naman yung sinetup ko. Okay. So this is the front. Alright. So you will find it like this. So 1. We're going to drag it here. Okay. Right? So that it won't be interfering with our view. Okay? So front, then side. So let's drag the image. Okay? Side. Doing this, by the way, you can't do this in Maya. Okay? You can't drag your images as an image plane in Maya, which is kind of sad actually. So, you know, and then after doing this, I'm going to try and scale this. Press S, okay? I'm going to try and make this of the same size. Okay? So, I'll make sure that the front view is touching the ground, yung wheel is touching the ground, then the side view is touching the ground also. Okay. Scale. Okay. So something like this, then you try and drag the image. Okay. Yan. Most likely, magpapantay yan ng ganyan. Okay? So, it just needs to be close. Okay? So, then, we're going to put this on the side. Isa-center natin siya dito. Okay? Put this on the center. Then, yung top natin, press 7. Okay? Top view, drag it. Okay. Wait. Undo. Okay, I'm dragging it in the center. Ayan. Okay. So, 7, grab, put this on the center. Okay. Scale it. And try to fit it with our motorcycle here. Okay. So, tingnan nyo muna kung magpapantay siya. Okay, so bring this up. Oops. Taas, pataas. Oops. Yan. Tingnan nyo yung yan. Tingnan nyo kung pantay sila ng handlebar. You need to find points of reference so that you'll be able to find which part fits the other. Okay, so okay. Ayan, medyo malapit na. Ayun, okay na yun. Okay? So, ang point of reference natin is the handlebar. Magpantay yung side nun. Yun, okay? Then, sa side, okay, from the view here, ito yung center niya. So, let's do the same thing with this one. Ayan. Okay? Since may point of reference na ako. Pero kung wala, what you're going to do is get your image plane, select this, and drag it up like so, and see if they fit. Okay? So, usually you just have to reference on one particular point. Usually it's the side view as the main point of reference. Usually it's like that. Okay? So, save this. Okay? Or, you do it like this. You make a box, you drag it, okay? Shift Z. Make sure that you are on wireframe. Okay? Tingnan mo kung gawin na natin x-ray. Yan. Tingnan mo kung tumatama yung dulo sa kabilang side. Okay? So, put this around like this one. Edit. Face. Space bar. Transform up. Drag it dun sa pinakataas. Shift Z. O yan. Point to point. Wheel to wheel. Papunta dito sa likod. Sakto naman siya. Right? Ngayon, yung front naman. So, press 1. Click this. Scale on the side. Like so. Okay? Hala. Ano ba yan? Sorry guys, sira yung camera ko ha. So, ayan, ganyan. So, tingnan nyo if dito sa reference natin, parehas ba siya? Okay? So, here, point to point, sakto naman. Dito, medyo off lang ng konti. Ayan. Okay? So, from there, dito na tayo magsisimula sa box na to. Okay? I'm going to hide my camera. Medyo nakaabala kasi. Okay? So, from here, we can start with the modeling. Okay? So, usually we just start with a simple shape like this. Okay? So, if we edit it, so it's like this. Okay? Right? So, ito yung point ng reference natin. Okay? Then, on the side, select all. Since may image plane na ako, medyo masusundan ko na yung shape nito. Okay? So, with this, so, 3, okay, select, then you can move this, then select it like this. Okay? Alright? Then, we can select this one, select the, okay, select that, select this edge, okay, so Shift Z, okay, then we can go to face, and extrude, okay, so E, grab, rotate, okay, rotate nyo siyang ganyan. Then, E, labas, grab, punta kayo dito, rotate. Okay? Then, after doing so, go to the modifier, then, mirror. Not mirror, sorry. subdivision surface. Okay, so after doing the subdivision surface, you add a middle. Okay, add your edge loop so that it's somewhere in the middle. Okay, so ito yung tsura niya. Then make it like 2 levels of subdivision. When you right click on the object, you can actually shade smooth the object or shade flat. Okay, but for now we'll be shading smooth. Okay, Shift Z 1. Let's just like pull it somewhere around like this. Control R here. Huwag nyo isagad, dali nyo lang dito. Okay, Shift Z. Okay, so from this, we'll just be duplicating parts to our model. Alright? So, magduduplicate tayo ng mga pieces natin. Alright? So, pwede natin kunin yung gitna, like, you know, para makakuha tayo ng gitna dito. Right? What we can do is bevel. So, right-click, then bevel the, not vertices, it needs to be edges. Right-click, bevel edges, drag. Okay? Then we're going to select the faces here. Okay? Then Shift D to duplicate, right-click to let go. Okay? Then extrude, forward. Okay? Select this, press P. And when you select, hover your mouse L. P to select separate. Okay? Then select this one, L, bring it close. Okay? We're going to delete the inner faces. X, delete faces. Okay? Edge loop, somewhere around here. Okay? Then let's select this face, X, face. Okay? Now we can select this face and this one and this one. Okay? Select all of it. So A. Okay. So nakita nyo to, medyo diretso siya. So lapit lang natin dito. Okay? Then this one, so front, medyo kulang siya, right? So yung in-add natin na edge loop dito, pwede natin i-tanggalin. So alt-click, shift-alt-click, right-click, not right-click, X, dissolve. Okay? So dissolve those edges, edge loop, add an edge loop sa front. Okay? Gitna pala, sorry. Click that edge, drag it up, like so. Okay? Then this one, let's add an edge loop dito sa baba. Okay? Vertex, rotate. Okay? You can add an edge loop here para pumantay siya. Okay? And like you can you know, just have it like so. Ganito muna. Okay? So most of it would be in point of reference of what you actually are seeing and modifying for your faces. Okay? So dito. Right? So let me just show you how to use the mirror modifier. Okay? So we have the subdivision surface. Let's add another edge loop here para lang medyo sumunod, okay? Dun sa shape. Okay, something like that. Yung mirror modifier works like this. Let me just like get a face. Okay. Somewhere around here. Okay. Then extrude, forward, then rotate like this. Okay. I'll be using the mirror modifier para magkaroon kayo ng idea on how to use it. Okay. So, pantayin ko siya dito, then this one. Okay. Right? So, let's add, and let's make it bigger. Ito yung hub kasi. Then, Control R in the center, click, right click to let go. Alright? So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the faces here. I'm going to delete it, face. Click here, click this one, that one, and this one. Delete those face, okay? Then in the modifier, dito sa wrench, modifier, mirror. Okay? Pag hindi nyo siya makita sa X, probably it's on Y. Kung wala sa Y, it's on Z. Okay? So, piliin nyo lang kung ano yung nagwo-work. Alright? Now, we have a problem here. Hindi tayo pwede mag-mirror na merong object na isang kasama to. So, kailangan natin i-separate. So, L, select P, selection, select the hub, yan, face, then X. Okay? Then, turn on clipping. Turn on yung clipping, tapos pagdikitin nyo siya. So, Alt, click on the edges. Okay. Yan, i-push nyo siya. Okay. Pag hindi siya nag-work, like, itulak nyo siyang ganyan, i-turn on nyo yung clip, tapos ibalik nyo. Ayaw pa rin. Ino natin. So, 1 siya. Pero supposedly, magme-merge yan supposedly dapat dito. Okay? So, let's just add an edge loop here. Let's add an edge loop here. Okay? Then, let's delete the faces here. Right? Then, let's get the edge. Don't worry about that. Okay? Then, let's select these edges and put this down. Kasi once we merge it later, mag-aano naman yan. Kasi pag naka-turn off yung subdivision natin, ayan siya eh, right? So, wait, taas natin yung sub-mirror. Ayun. Click drag lang yung mirror. Okay? Dali niyo yung mirror sa taas para siya yung nasusunod. Okay? Hindi nauuna yung subdivision. Okay? Nauuna yung mirror modifier. Okay? So, from here, so, pwede na tayong ganito. Then, let's add an edge loop around here. Okay. Then, this one, I'll just bring it, wait, let me just delete the faces here and here. Okay. So, 3, Shift Z. I'm going to rotate this side kasi naka-rotate yung ano eh, right? So, yun. Bring it here. Okay. Didikit ko siya dito. Tapos, Control R para makontrol natin yung sa baba. Okay. Then, select, scale. Tingnan nyo kung parehas kayo nung shape, okay? So, this one, bring it down. Select the top, bring it down. Okay. Now, itong taas, meron siya doon. Select this. Since naka-mirror siya, nagtatrabaho lang ako sa isa, okay? Right-click, slide vertices. Then, right-click. Okay? Wait lang guys, ha? Then, click this. So, isa lang yung minimodify natin. Pero, what you might find in my video is I'm modifying back and forth. Okay? Pero, pinakita ko lang sa inyo to ng maaga para magkaroon kayo ng idea na pwede palang model ang gamit ay mirror modifier. Okay? Pero, I would suggest na try to follow what I'm doing dun sa video na ibibigay ko sa inyo. Okay? Pero covered din naman on some parts on how to actually do this, and some parts would be mirrored and some parts will be not. Okay? Pero as much as possible, sundan nyo yung ginagawa ko dun sa video ko na isa, then sundan nyo lang din yung paglagay ko ng image plane dito. Okay? So, yun muna yung focus natin. Kasi we want to repeat the process in the modeling that I have in that video. This one, the mirroring, is something that you do once you get really, really comfortable with modeling in Blender, okay? So, for this part, like, you can mirror this, pero yung the rest, ang i-mirror lang kasi dun sa video na ginawa ko is yung gulong, okay? I want you kasi to get used to modeling left and right, okay? So, sundan nyo na lang muna yung ginawa ko doon. Alright. So, yun na lang muna. Wait lang ha. Wait. I'll just turn off the video.